wanna know his secret.
What's up guys, TOG here, aka thectogamer2, and welcome back to another Team Fortress 2 video. And today's episode we're playing some more King of the Hill, and today we're playing against bots because whenever I play online I get lag and it's like online is confusing, so we're playing against bots and for some reason, it always happens, it doesn't respond when it's loading. Here he goes. Here we go. So it's loading. We're playing on a map called Sawmill. I've played this online once and it's pretty fun. One more bar left, and yes, let's hop straight in. I don't care. What was the side that was good? Red side. And we're gonna be this dude to start off with. I want to make sure I can hear. Yeah, I can hear. So my way of getting around is like this. In this map, I love this map because if you're a sniper, there's plenty of like sniper points that you can have in this map. Hectic in here already. Ooh, getting rocketed. Oh my god, you can actually die from these sword blades. It looks like somebody's already died because that's blue. Hey. So we need to... Oh, it's pyro. Oh, snap. Oh, don't die from the sawmill. Rockets. This is hectic. I need to turn it up for me, otherwise it's just awkward. Sounds like I'm speaking to myself. Well, which I am technically, but... Yay, bro. Oh, pyro, on fire. Run. I hate these saw blades. I'm gonna die. Oh, God. Shouldn't have chose this map. I hate the saw blades. I'm actually gonna choose... the mechanic. I'm going to be the mechanic, and we're going to set up our sentry. Actually, no, I was going to choose a sniper, wasn't I? Yeah. We're a sniper. Here we go. Hey, dude. So I'm going to do some recon from the top of these barn houses things. Just going to shoot some people. Some people might be hanging out over here. Oh, snap. And get a headshot. Boom, headshot. No, that wasn't a headshot, but... let's try and get these dudes. They're down here. Did he see me? Not too sure. Oh, snap. There's a lot of guys here. We do not want to be messing around here. Let's get rid of this dude. We can snipe him, probably. He went the wrong way. Oh god, there's a shotgunner. Let's get out of here then, and let's get back to the control point. Actually, the quickest way to do... Oh god! No scope this dude. Oh, grenade. Don't let it. Let's actually go get some health, and then head into the control point. Stop shotgunning me. Actually, we're gonna head down to our side of the spawn and recon into the control point using our sniper. So if we come round to the end, right, we can get some good snipes. Yeah, that wasn't a headshot, but I got him. Whoa, so many people dying. Oh, that was my kill. Oh, I hit the doctor. Got a turret up and running. A bit too hectic. There's some medic stuff. Gonna grab the medics. Oh god, get out the saw blade. Nobody's coming. Where is he? Oh, come on. Oh no. Oh god, my aim is so bad. Oh god, he hit me with a rocket. No, I'm not dying today. Not today. Run. Health. Give me the health. I got the health. And then... Right. Some ammo. I don't need any ammo. Try and get this last kill. Is that my last go? No, I looked at things. Yeah, let's kill him. We won. Shoot him all with my sniper, because I got most kills, or did I? No, I was at last. 1 kill and 1 death. Really? 1 kill? Hey, bro. Oh, he's mind. So, we're not going to play another round. So, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't, and subscribe to my main channel if you like Minecraft. This has been TOG2, and I'll see you in the next episode.